Hey everyone, if you're trying to grow your Instagram followers fast in 2026, this guide will walk you through the strategies that are actually working right now. So whether you're building a personal brand, business page, or content account, yeah, these tips can help you grow much faster. First, make sure your Instagram profile looks clean and professional. Use a clear profile picture, a simple username, and a bio that explains exactly what your page is about. One big mistake people make is posting random content. Instead, choose one niche like cooking, tech, fitness, gaming, or motivation, and stay consistent with it. Right now, Instagram Reels are still the fastest way to reach new people. Short videos with quick hooks and fast pacing usually perform much better than regular posts. The first few seconds matter a lot. Start your videos with something interesting, surprising, or useful so people stop scrolling immediately. Yeah, consistency is super important. Try posting at least one reel every day or a few times each week, so Instagram keeps pushing your content to new viewers. Another thing that helps is using trending audio and relevant hashtags. Don't spam random hashtags, though. Keep them related to your content niche. Reply to comments, answer messages, and interact with other creators in your niche. So, the more engagement you create, the better your chances of getting recommended by Instagram. Content that people save or share usually grows much faster. Tutorials, relatable clips, quick tips, and before and after videos work really well. Try to avoid fake followers, bots, or engagement groups. I mean, those might increase numbers temporarily, but they usually hurt your reach over time. Use Instagram Insights to see which posts get the most views, saves, and engagement. Then make more content similar to your best performing posts. One really smart strategy is reposting your Instagram Reels on Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Yeah, that way your content reaches people on multiple platforms at once. And that's basically the full guide to growing Instagram followers fast in 2026. Stay consistent, focus on quality content, and keep testing new ideas. Over time, your growth can really snowball.